Listen to me. Stop giving people your free attention, especially men. You need to stop giving these women the validation that they are seeking out here. And it's obvious that they're seeking it. Go to the gym and take a look. These women are half naked out here for what? To get you to look and make you say, Believe it. Believe it. These people out here are just looking for your free attention. And I'm telling you, chosen ones, and this message is strictly for chosen ones, not the less than smart ones, due to the simple fact that they will never, and see nasty means never, understand what the hell I'm talking about. Stop giving these people your free attention, especially chosen ones. Do you understand the power that you have in your attention? That's the power of creation right there. Huh? Feel me? You can make anything out of your mind, and yeah, you're looking at some dime over there, huh? Looking all good with her camel toe and her little butt crack out to try to get. Think about it. These women got hundreds and thousands of dudes. I call them atomic bombs. These women are literally atomic bombs. You feel me? Because due to the simple fact that they have all these men and women too that are just looking at them and lusting and giving them all this I'll hit that energy, I'll eat that up energy, feel me? She's a whole supernova of energy, feel me? Of positive and negative energy, feel me? And then what do you do, chosen one? That's what I'm saying. This video is strictly for chosen ones. Because the LTSOs, the less than smart ones, they could look and they could lust and nothing will happen to them by the end of the night. But guess what, chosen ones? Let you look and let you lust, and guess what? You'll be having to exercise demons all damn night. And you know it's true. You sitting in your bed thinking, why the hell am I having another sleepless night? Feel me? Because you're giving your attention to the wrong things instead of giving your attention to yourself and your dreams. Feel me? Put yourself on the pedestal and take that person off of the pedestal. Damn it. And listen, I'm not mad. I'm not yelling. I'm just speaking passionately because you know what? I've been through these things. Feel me? I used to be a lust demon. Feel me? I used to freaking go outside and bro, I couldn't control my eyes. Feel me? I couldn't control the words that were coming out of my mouth. I couldn't. Feel me? Until I told myself, oh hell no, something has got to change. Has got to change. Feel me? Because I noticed I was getting the short end of the stick every single time. I'm getting the short end of the stick, so I had to do something. I had to. Feel me? And you have to too. If you're watching to the point of this video, and if you are, hit me in the comment section. Let me know that you're done giving people your free attention. Oh, this video is for women too out there. Feel me? But I know my men, I know chosen one men struggle through this the most. Feel me? Due to the simple fact that we get attacked by lust demons all damn day, huh? Like I said, go to the gym and look what you see. It's an epidemic. Oh my God, these women are half naked, literally bending over in front of your face. You trying to work out better your body, huh? Beautify your body, huh? Increase your health so you can increase your wealth. And then what does this little peon chick try to come and do? Little Decepticon, damn deceptioneer. All they do is what? Say it with me. Practice the art of deception. Oh, get them away from you, man. And stop giving them your free attention, because your attention is what's going to bring you to your future. Feel me? And those people can't come with you, huh? Man. Feeling good right now. Look, I'm about to take my socks off and walk on this grass right here. Listen, I'm out of here, man. One love.